Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get some free software. It's called Adobe Photoshop CS6. I'm sure you all know about it, saw it in the title. You're like, oh my god, free Photoshop. So, just follow the steps I have in this video, and it's all yours. Here we go. Alright guys, so in order to get Adobe Photoshop CS6 for free, you must go to the link in the description. It's a mega.nz link, and you just go ahead in your browser and pull it up. It'll show up as psdownload.zip, and once you're here, you just press download, and it'll start, and you just go ahead and wait till it's done.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so my download's done, and of course you have to have WinRAR for this to open. So if you don't, the link's also in the description for WinRAR, and you just want to go ahead and open with the WinRAR archiver. Press OK, and a new little WinRAR archive will open up. It'll have a folder called Photoshop in it. It's very simple. Okay, so all you want to do is just, there's this file here. So what you need to do is you just click on setup.exe, all right, and it'll pop up as like an application, and there's no need to extract this anywhere or anything. It wouldn't make sense to unless you're saving the file for a friend, but that's why the link's there. So so the file should open. It should give us the option to install. I was right here, setup.exe wants to make changes. Of course, you change your installation language, and then you go through the wizard right here, click next, accept the agreement, and you choose your file path to install. And you click next, create a desktop icon, and then license key right here. It does not matter if your internet's on and off for this. So you want to go back to the WinRAR archive and click on serial.txt right here. Just copy and paste, and that's a wrap. So then you go ahead and click install, and it'll pop up right here on your desktop, and it'll be free to use, undetected. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and that is how you get Photoshop for free. Sub if you like the video, and drop a like. Thank you.